Talking about other ways of obtaining a simple random sample. There are four types of other sampling methods that I will be discussing. They are stratified, cluster, systematic, and convenience. In stratified random sampling, the elements are divided into groups called strata so that each strata are its own group or category. Next, a random sample is taken from each group. Relatively small sample sizes can be used to obtain good estimates of the population. Following stratified sampling is cluster sampling. These two are similar, but cluster sampling tends to give better results when the elements within the clusters are not alike. For example, cluster sampling works best when each cluster provides a small-scale representation of the population. Simply take a sample from each cluster, then analyze the sample. This will provide a good estimation usually. The next sampling method is systematic sampling. An example of systematic sampling would be to take every third element of the population. This technique works best when the list of elements in the population is in a random order. Lastly, there is convenience sampling. This is not even really a sampling method. It is exactly as it sounds, convenient. An example of this would be an experimenter taking whatever sample he or she could get his hands on. It might provide the results one is looking for, or it may not. It's a toss-up.